Hi, and welcome to the N2W Academy. My name is Cynthia Santos, Senior Solution Architect here with N2WS. And today I'm going to do part 2 of the disk series. In the previous video, I showed you how to back up a disk to a local copy, a cross-region copy, and also an archive. So today I'm going to show you how to recover your disk. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm on the N2WS dashboard. I'm going to select the backup monitor, and I see here all of my backup policies. I selected the backup policy that contains my disk, and I'm going to press recover. Once I do recover, the different choices that I get up here at the top depend on what kind of VR and archive destination you have selected for your policy. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to keep it simple, and I'm going to recover my disk in the same location. I'm going to give it a different name. Pretty easy. That's going to let me know that this was my recovered disk. And I'm going to press here at the bottom, recover disk. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to pause the video while this operation happens and see you back in a few minutes. This is a very small disk, so it recovered very quickly. But if you want to track the progress of your recoveries, on the left menu, go to Recovery Monitor. You can see your recovery entry and click on Log. This is going to let you know step by step what is happening behind the scenes. As you can see, the recovery was successful, but the best way is to go back to your AWS cloud, to your Azure cloud, and find your resource. Go to your disk, and if you can see here, we can find our recovered disk listed here. It has the same properties and is in the desired location. So this was a local recovery. Now we're going to do a cross-region recovery of the same disk. So go back to N2WS, go back to the backup monitor, and this time I'm going to use my DR backup, my DR snapshot to be able to recreate my disk in the US West region. So how do I do that? I select the point in time, click recover, and now all the way to the top, see how you have different choices? I'm going to recover in the West. Click here, and then just going to give it a different name. This is going to be cross region. That's going to make it really easy for us to tell that this disk now is in a different location. And press here, recover disk, and we're going to wait. My cross-region recovery is done. You get a success message. But the best way is to look at the recovery log. This is going to tell you if it was able to recreate your resource. Here you can see that it's in the original region is US East, and it recovered in the West US region. So let's go ahead and take a look. You can go to the disk. We're going to go home, disk, and now if I look, I have a new disk located in the West region. And this is how we're able to really easily tell if the recovery was successful. I hope that you have found this series of videos useful. And again, this is how to do a recovery of a disk, whether it's to the local region or your DR region. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next series of videos.